The Naga National Political Groups, a conglomerate of 6 political groups from Nagaland, have urged the government interlocutor RN Ravi to sign the delayed peace deal at the earliest, with or without the National Socialist Council of Nagaland (NSCN-IM) coming on board. As per media reports, after 3 days of discussions with RN Ravi, who is also the governor of Nagaland, the NNPG members urged him to sign the final peace accord despite disagreement with the NSCN-IM. Close to 50 people have tested positive for the new coronavirus in India, with new cases being reported in Pune, Bengaluru and Amritsar, media reports said. The disease caused by the virus COVID-19 has killed nearly 4,000 people across the world, but there have been no fatal infections in India so far. A military transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force brought back 58 Indians from coronavirus-hit Iran today, officials said. According to media reports, the aircraft, a C-17 Globemaster, was sent to Tehran last evening. Reportedly, about 2,000 Indians are living in Iran, a country that has witnessed increasing numbers of coronavirus cases in the last few days. In view of the increasing COVID-19 cases in India, the Gujarat Congress said it has postponed the 386-kilometer Gandhi Sandesh Yatra aimed at highlighting the current situation of the country through a symbolic Dandi March. According to reports, starting from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad, the Yatra was supposed to trace the route of Gandhiji's historic Salt March and cover a distance of 386 kilometers in 26 days between March 12 and April 6 next. As a part of the Holi festival, devotees played with Pichkari today at Sri Sri Govindaji Temple in Palace Compound, Imphal. A large number of Hindu devotees took part in the celebration. The crisis for the Kamal Nath government in Madhya Pradesh intensified with 15 to 20 Congress MLAs, including some ministers, remaining incommunicado on Monday, leading to series of meetings between Nath and senior leaders in Bhopal. Led on Monday, at least 17 ministers tendered their resignation to the Chief Minister, said Information Public Relations Minister PC Sharma, who was one of those who resigned, suggesting a reshuffle in the state cabinet to keep the flock together, according to a media report. 6-time world champion MC Mary Kom, 51 kg, qualified for Tokyo Olympics by advancing to the Asian qualifiers semi-final with a comfortable win over Philippines' Iris Magno yesterday at Amman, Jordan. Second-seeded Mary Kom, who won a bronze in the 2012 London Olympics when women's boxing was first introduced at the showpiece, won the qualifier bout 5-0. The 37-year-old will square off against China's Wan Cheng in the semi-finals. Associate Professor of Department of Education, GP Women's College, Imphal, Dr. T.H. Asa Sinha has been honored by conferring the prestigious International Award for Women Icon 2020. The award was presented to her during a function held at March 8 at St. Joseph College of Teacher Education for Women, Ernakulam. The award includes citation, memento, shawl and cash. Anti-Drug Joint Committee Kairang Komidong Khabisoi caught a drug peddler along with 264 SP capsules last night near Haingang Garden under Haingang Police Station. The arrested has been identified as 30-year-old Pangambam Abung, son of P. Bare. Later, he was handed over to Haingang Police Station. Senior Congress leader Jyotiraditya Scindia today met Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his residence in New Delhi, fueling speculations that he would join the BJP. According to media reports, Home Minister Amit Shah was present at the meeting too. The development comes a day after at least 11 MLAs and 6 ministers close to Scindia snapping contact with their colleagues. At the ongoing 10th Journalist Sports Meet 2020 at the Kumal Lampak Indoor Stadium, Imphal, organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union, Amju, Executive Editor of TOMTV, Shanti Salam, today won the women's badminton singles final, defeating TH Reena of Impact TV in 15-11 and 15-4. Earlier, Shanti beat Rosimala of ISTB in the semi-final in 15-7, 15-10. On the other hand, in the quarter-final match of men's table tennis played today, Deputy Editor of TOMTV Pramananda Mangsatabam was defeated by Ajit of ISTB at the decisive round by 11-13. Earlier, Pramananda defeated John of Impact TV in the first round. Bihutoli Hojai is celebrating Yaosung Sports Festival 2020 with full fervor. The 3-day festival is organized by All Assam Manipuri Students Union Hojai District Committee. Folk dance, folk songs, art competition, poem competition and various indigenous games of Assam are important highlights of the festival. Manipur team has left Imphal for Assam to participate in the upcoming 6th Northeast Kung Fu and Kickboxing Championship 2020 to be held at Sibsagar from March 12 to 15.